Welcome to this demonstration of using iMapps integrated help system. The simplest way to access this help system is through the Help button on the left side of the screen. This brings up our on-screen help system with some of the most common articles based on the iMapp page you are on. Click on the name of an article to see that article popped up on top of your iMapp window. Scroll down to read more, or if you want to see a full screen version of that help page, click on the title again to load it in a full tab in our knowledge base. Back on the iMapp embedded help interface, you can also search for specific terms to help find related articles to those topics. Click the magnifying glass to conduct a search on your terms. Scroll through the list to pick from the resulting list. We have created numerous focused pages to help explain each aspect of the page. You can also access them from the small gray question marks placed through the iMapp interface. These tooltip help articles explain specifically the aspect of the report or interface you are looking at. If you are unsure what a report section includes or how calculations are done, click on the question mark to see an explanation. Not sure how to turn on and off report sections? Click the question mark. Almost every report section on every report has some sort of explanation available from these gray question marks, including the property report, comparables report, and valuation analysis and map browse. Not sure how to interact with the new map and access different layers? Click the question marks available on different parts of the map page. We even have these tip articles available for new suggested searches on the search page. In the search list, these articles explain how these predefined searches work, why someone would do them, and a brief video explanation. After you do a search, there are tips to guide you as you work with your results and data downloads. More question marks may appear as you hover near a button. While it is handy to have all of these articles a click away in the interface, you can also access these same articles through our knowledge base, categorized for easy reference. This site included a series of longer detailed users' guides, as well as a series of short informational videos to explain various aspects of the iMapp system. Sometimes seeing a system being used is the easiest way to learn it. You can watch these videos at your convenience and pause and rewind to ensure you follow along with every detail. If you have a question you can't find an answer to, or a data issue you need to let us know about, you can also contact us through the help system. To do so, click the Ask button. You will be prompted to explain your issue thoroughly. Please provide as much detail as possible, including exactly what property you are looking at or what search you did, or providing a screenshot of the screen you are looking at. This will help us track down exactly what you need. We will review your request and respond as soon as possible. Thank you for your interest in the iMapp integrated help system. We know your time is valuable and there can be a lot to learn. We hope we can help you find the answers you need to keep you informed and make the most of your iMapp experience.